Meaning of indoors.
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 Indoors. Indoors refers to being inside a building or a confined space. It is the opposite of outdoors, which refers to being outside in an open space. Being indoors provides shelter and protection from the elements, and can also offer a controlled environment for various activities. Indoors can be a place for relaxation, work, or socializing. Whether it's enjoying a movie night with friends, attending a business meeting, or simply staying out of the rain, being indoors offers a sense of security and comfort.